Hey guys, welcome back again to my beautiful channel. This is Karen, your girl, always bringing you juicy and sweet updates. You see, this November, December, I'm bringing you updates that will put some money in your pocket. Updates that will put some good money in your pocket. And one of them is this one called PAWS. See, no stress. PAWS is the name of this airdrop is called no stress. It's not here to stress anybody. It's not here to tell you to mine 1 million coins. No. All it's telling you is all you need to do is click the link in my description and let it take you to Telegram, and they are going to reward you for using Telegram. For probably, if you mind hamster, you'll be rewarded. If you mind dogs, you'll be rewarded. And even if you didn't mind any of these things, find out if you'll be rewarded for just having Telegram. For just having Telegram, find out if you'll be rewarded. When you get here, you come to the end session. There are few tasks you need to do. Like now, I have one task I'm here to do. It's ending in 7 hours. Then, guys, don't miss this. As at the time I'm doing this video, see, it's limited. It's ending in 7 hours from now. In game, I've already done the ones I'm here to do. Then partners, I've already done that one. So let me quickly do this one that is limited. Check Telegram status, join. That I've done, and I am claiming my reward immediately. In game, I have done all apart from these two. I'm going to do these ones, and that's all. So I'm going to drop the link in the comment section, and all you need to do, if you have friends you would like to tell about PAWS, please don't miss out. Tell them immediately. Let them join you immediately. Please don't miss out. Don't miss out on PAWS. Don't miss out. I don't want to talk much about it, but a word is enough for a wise person. Don't miss out on PAWS. Don't miss out on PAWS. Don't miss out on PAWS. See, if you mind hamster and you're very, very disappointed, PAWS is here to compensate you. PAWS is here to compensate you. So don't miss out. Forget the anger of hamster and allow PAWS to compensate you for all the wasted time. PAWS is here to compensate you. All you need to do, click the link in the description, and it will bring you here. Even if you've not done hamster before, I'm pretty sure you're going to be rewarded for just having Telegram, because dogs rewarded people who have used Telegram, and I'm sure they will also want to reward people who have used Telegram. So give it a trial. Click the link in the description and get started immediately. All right, that's all for this video. Don't forget to connect your Tonkeeper wallet. Don't forget to perform all your pending tasks. If you have friends who want to join, please don't forget to invite them. See you in my next video. Bye.